Hi tenor saxophones, thanks for joining me today. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 2, and this is an accent on review page. It's the first page in the Accent Book 2. In the upper left-hand corner, we're reviewing the notes B, C, D, E, F, and G as some of those beginning notes that we learned when we first began playing the saxophone. In the upper right-hand corner of the page today, let's review what a whole note and a whole rest mean. That's 4 beats of sound or silence. A half note or a half rest is 2 beats of sound or silence. A quarter note or a quarter rest is 1 beat of sound or silence. When we want to join 2 or more notes together to make a longer note, we often use a tie. A tie joins 2 of the same pitch together to make it longer. A breath mark is where we take our breath in music. It looks like an apostrophe. And a repeat sign means that there's more music to come by going back in the piece and playing some more of that piece. Key signatures, today's key signature is the key signature that has no sharps or flats. So that is said to be the key of C or C major. Time signatures to review are 4/4 and 2/4 time. In 4/4 time or common time, there are 4 beats or counts in each measure. In 2/4, that means there are 2 counts or beats in each measure. Today's tempo markings are moderato, a moderate average speed, and allegro, a faster speed. We're just going to get started today with our oats, peas, beans exercise. This is exercise number 1. It's marked allegro for a tempo. However, because we're using this as a review page, let's keep our tempo around 70 beats per minute, more like moderato. So I'm going to start playing, and I'd like you to join me for number 1, oats, peas, beans. Starting with the note E. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we'll move on to number 2. It's our first duet, and it's called Go Tell Aunt Rhody. It's got a repeat sign at the end of each line, both part A and part B. I'll start by playing part A. You can join me, or you can play part B for an instant duet. 1, 2, part A, go. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now I'll jump down to part B. You can join me, or you can play part A and have an instant duet. 1, 2, part B, go. Rest, rest. 1, And that's a nice duet to start it off on our new book. So next exercise is number 3, and it's called Some Folks Do. This piece is in 2/4 time. Remember that means that there are 2 counts per measure. Just 2 counts instead of 4. Measures are a way of organizing our beats in music. 1, 2, ready, begin. Our last exercise today is the slumber song, number 4. Play the repeat at the end. 1, 2, ready, go. And there you have it, Accent Book 2, page number 2, the Accent on Review. Now, if you need to, rewind this video and practice it along with me again. Or choose the parts where you made some mistakes and work on them on your own first, then review them with me. Either way, until I see you next time, keep practicing.